What's up, guys? And I'm back with another, actually first, Beast Run video, and I have Vicious Speed, and we're gonna do a couple cool tricks. Alright. 3, 2, come on. Did you guys see that? And yeah, we're gonna do one more cool thing. Alright. Watch this. Alright, and hope you guys enjoyed, and don't remember to subscribe, and bye.